Do you know that you have been watched under closed circuit cameras 24/7? Yes, they're consistently monitoring every single thing that we do on this earth of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are sent here with the purpose and with Allah's wisdom to submit to Him and to deliver a job as a Khalifa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What we are doing is not up to par. What we are doing is counted for, it's recorded, and it will be displayed on Judgment Day for us. In Surah Al-Jumu, Ayah number 8, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly says, Prophet, indeed the death that you flee from will eventually meet you. Then you will be returned to the knowledge of seen and unseen, and He will inform you for whatever you used to do on this earth. So death is an unpredictable reality. You cannot flee from it. You cannot get away with anything that you do on this earth. Every cruelty, every dishonesty, every disservice, everything will be accounted for. You will be held accountable by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If the people in this dunya cannot hold you accountable, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will. So remember to treat people with kindness. Every single minute you wasted without pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be questioned from you. So remember, be nice, be merciful, and be just.